Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com.
We have here a townhouse that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 7 million or US $45.4 thousand.
This amazing house has been built with family in mind. It comes with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It has been finished up to a point of you adding your own taste to make it yours, whether converting the basement area to an income earner or finally having your own man cave. This home has many features and spaces that not many townhouses offer. Moorlands Estate in Manchester is exclusive, and this property is a dream come true to anyone who has missed out on an opportunity to own a piece of the gated community. The land area of this townhouse is approximately 4,791 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
The new asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.